Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Many people complain Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus volume is very low, but need ringtone volume high. Which setting follow and my mobile phone ringtone volume high? This video watching, hopefully your problem is solved. Now, first your mobile phone display and search setting icon. When get setting icon, then click setting icon option and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Scroll down and search display and brightness. No, very easy way search setting option and type ringtone and search. Already showing this interface your mobile phone display ringtone, increasing ringtone volume. Search this option and increasing ringtone volume enable. Now this option increase in ringtone volume. Hopefully your problem is solved.